If the dryer runs but won't heat. For an electric dryer, check to see if a single circuit breaker has tripped or a fuse is blown. Electric dryers use two 30-amp household fuses or breakers. The drum may be turning, but the dryer won't heat if one fuse is blown or one breaker tripped. Also, make sure that a cycle with heat has been selected or a temperature has been selected. If air dry cycle is used, the dryer will not heat. For gas dryers, check to make sure the gas valve is open on the supply line. If this does not solve the problem, a service call may need to be scheduled.